Hey everybody, how's it going? Ever since this whole pandemic thing started, I've been getting a lot of DMs. People have been saying to me, Nick, how have you managed to stay so deliciously fit through this whole pandemic? The answer is pretty simple. When we were deemed essential, I realized that America needed me. America needed me to step up, and they needed me to be the absolute best I could be, and that I needed to make changes to my diet, my exercise, my daily routines, to kind of bring together my body and my mind, to be the best I could be, and to make sure that I could do my job effectively. That kind of took on a lot of different things. Today I'm going to be talking about something I like to call the essential workers' essential warm-up. It's very simple, it's very basic, I'm going to get into it. As you can see, I'm already doing the very first move of the essential workers' essential warm-up, and that is the deep split. Now, you don't want to try and jump right into doing what I'm doing, all right? This is weeks of training that have led me to being able to do this. But basically what you want to do is you want to take your feet, put them under your shoulders, and then stretch them out as far as you can until it feels like there's elastic bands in here that feel like they're about to snap. Now I'm going to try and get a little bit deeper here. Oh God. Okay, like I said, you don't want to try and do this right out the gate. You want to take it a little slower. Oh God. All right, that's enough. Okay. So basically that's going to work the tender bits in this area here. Get your blood flowing a little bit. Once your blood's flowing, you're going to want to move into move number 2. Now, move number 2 is something I like to call the second move. The reason I call it the second move is because sometimes after the first move, the deep splits, I'm a little dizzy, I'm a little confused. The blood's rushing, the blood's pumping, and I don't want to forget what the next move is. So calling it the second move is just kind of the natural progression. And the second move looks a little something like this. You're going to turn sideways, get your foot out there in the front, you're going to bend that. Oh. And you're going to feel that right here in this whole kind of area. Don't go too deep. Oh. And breathe. You got to keep breathing. This is a power move. And you got to keep breathing. The oxygen's flowing. You're feeling the power. You understand? And we're going to go for one more. Oh, God. Oh. Okay. Now, as you saw, that was extremely strenuous. I like to only do that on one side of my body. I find, and this is something my own theory, I'm having my scientists, they're working on this right now. But my theory is that by working out one half of my body and getting all the benefits of exercise, while also simultaneously getting all the benefits of relaxation on this side. So the blood's coming around, it's getting pushed through, and then it's coming back, and it's going nice and gentle. And that is how you can double your productivity. You can double the benefits for half the work. So the reason I've been warming up is I got this log here that I need to pick up. It's got to be put away. It's pretty heavy. So, I wanted to get warmed up before I started doing it. Tyler!
Yeah?
Hey, when you're done doing what you're doing, can you put this board away?
You got it, buddy.
Thanks, dude. And that is how you delegate, people. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me see some videos of you doing the essential workout, the essential workers' essential warm-up. And tag me, put in your stories, put in your feed, tag me in it, hashtag essential workers' essential warm-up. Cut the video.